Hi, welcome back to Maci-English for Kids. Today, we're going to learn some special English words all about Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is a holiday where we celebrate togetherness, enjoy delicious food, and say, thank you for the good things we have. Are you ready to learn some fun Thanksgiving words? Let's go. First up is turkey. A turkey is a big bird that many people eat on Thanksgiving. It's usually cooked and shared with family. Can you say turkey?
Turkey.
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 Example: I like to eat turkey on Thanksgiving. Next, we have pumpkin pie. This is a yummy dessert made from pumpkins with lots of spices. Many people love it for dessert on Thanksgiving. Can you say pumpkin pie?
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie.
Example: pumpkin pie is my favorite Thanksgiving treat. Thanksgiving is all about spending time with family. Family is everyone we love and care about, like parents, brothers, sisters, and grandparents. Can you say family?
Family.
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 Example: I celebrate Thanksgiving with my family. Thanksgiving is also about having a big feast. A feast is a big meal with lots of food for everyone to share. Can you say feast?
Feast.
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 Example: we have a feast with turkey, vegetables, and pie. Here is corn. Corn is a food that has been eaten at Thanksgiving for a long time. Can you say corn?
Corn.
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 Example: I like corn with my Thanksgiving dinner. Thanksgiving is about gratitude, which means being thankful. We say thank you for everything we have. Can you say gratitude?
Gratitude.
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 Example: I show gratitude for my family and friends. Next is cranberry sauce. It's a sweet and tangy sauce often eaten with turkey. Can you say cranberry sauce?
Cranberry sauce.
Cranberry sauce.
Cranberry sauce.
Example: we put cranberry sauce on our turkey. Thanksgiving started as a celebration of the harvest. That's when farmers gather crops they've grown all year. Can you say harvest?
Harvest.
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 Example: Thanksgiving celebrates the harvest and good food. Great job, everyone. Now let's say all our new Thanksgiving words together. Turkey.
Turkey.
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie.
Family.
Family.
Feast.
Feast.
Corn.
Corn.
Gratitude.
Gratitude.
Cranberry sauce.
Cranberry sauce.
Harvest.
Harvest.
Awesome work. Now you know all about Thanksgiving words. Remember to show gratitude and enjoy time with family. Thanks for watching Maci-English for Kids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone!